Now how to handle leads. So here we have Bhuneshwar, we will handle leads. So for that we will create a new lead. In leads we'll create some, we will title him like price, probability, email, let's we contact number should like that. Let's say company name, address, and salesperson who will be handling this lead. So from here we can say that convert this to as an opportunity. So before that we will save it first. So after saving we will say convert this as an opportunity. After that we can see there is various option, new, quotes, won and lost. So we will go in CRM and we can click on it and can see that Bhuneshwar has an opportunity. So if we click on qualified, the box will shift it to the next line of pipeline. Again we click on properties and box again will shift next, and after we click on one, the green tag appears, the deal is done, the pop-up appears and we can see that there is a one. How that we can handle the leads.